Welcome student. In today's class we are going to study scope, importance and impact of biotechnology. Biotechnology utilizes cellular and biomolecular processes to create biotechnologies and produce and products that helps to improve our lives and the nature. Biotechnology is a vast subject and its scope is extended to various branches of biology. Plant tissue culture, transgenic in animals and plants, tools and therapeutics, creation of new enzymes and their immobilization for industrial use, monoclonal antibodies and control of pollutions, etc. In health, 250 biotechnology healthcare products and vaccines have been made available to patients, many for previously untreatable diseases. The next, in agriculture, more than 13.3 million farmers around the world use agricultural biotechnology to increase yield, prevent damage from insects and pests, and reduce damage done on environment due to farming. The next, energy. More than 50 biorefineries are being built across North America to test and produce biofuels and chemicals from renewable biomass to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. The next is industrial application of biotechnology. Make explosives during the First World War. Microbial fermentation tanks were used to convert readily available agricultural products into glycerol and acetone. Grow microbes for the production of antibiotics. The next is scope of biotechnology. So, biotechnology scope is everywhere. In business, first we'll see in business micro propagation, demand for horticulture, crop and ornamentals. Next, still developing in India, highly research oriented, vast and diverse. Few job in pharmaceuticals companies, research labs and institutions in India go abroad to pursue their master's or doctorate studies in biotechnology and allied fields. Master's or PhD program, JNU, DU, IISc, TIFR, IITS, etc. Some students also shift to MBA, some students shift to software biotech based jobs. Next, that is the plant improvement. Biotechnology improves crop insect resistance, that is the BT cotton, or Bacillus thuringiensis plants, enhance crop herbicide tolerance crop in Western countries. Next, facilitates the environmentally sustainable farming practices through climate resilience crops, marker assisted selection, MAS, and gene pyramiding. Higher crop yields with fewer inputs, QTL mapping, MAS, and gene pyramiding. Next, biotech crop lowering volumes of agricultural chemicals, pesticides, and fungicides allow farmers to reduce tilling farmland, herbicides tolerant crops with enhanced nutrition profiles that solves vitamin and nutrient deficiencies, golden rice, zinc, iron for fortified crops, MAS and GM. Producing foods free of allergens and toxins, mycotoxins, MAS and GM. GM is genetically modified plants. Quality, improving food and crop oil content to help improve cardiovascular health. Then biotechnology raises new ethical questions. That is, technology provides benefits to people and societies, but it can also have negative effects or um, unintended consequences. First, that is, biotechnology innovations be carefully tested and analyzed before they are released for general use. Clinical trials and government regulation. Next, even after release the product, sometimes new information becomes available that makes companies and government agencies reconsider the safety or utility of an innovation. This results a medication is occasionally withdrawn from the market. So this is about the biotechnology scope and their applications. Thank you.